Hello students, here is the question. The question is, if the normal to the curve y of x is equals to integral of 0 to x 2t square minus 15t plus 10 dt at a point a comma b is parallel to the line x plus 3y is equals to minus 5, a is greater than 1, then the value of mod of a plus 6b is. So we have a normal to the curve represented at this point is given, and that line is parallel to this line over here. So let me just rearrange this by writing the x at the right hand side and dividing the entire equation by 3. We get this as the case. Remember, this value a should be greater than 1. Now we have this as the line equation over here, and we can say by the normal line equation or the simple line equation y equal to mx plus c, that slope of the line given to us will be minus 1 by 3, correct? Now we have a normal over here, now we have a curve over here. What we will do is we will just integrate it and get the value of y of x as 2x cube by 3, correct, minus 15 x square by 2 plus 10x, correct. This is the curve that we get after integration and putting in the values. Now we get this curve as y of x. We know when we differentiate a curve we get a family of lines. So once we differentiate this curve over here, we have this equation again, because 2x cube by 3 when we differentiate we get 2x square, 15x square by 2 when we differentiate we get 15x, and 10x when we differentiate we get 10. And we know that there is a normal at the point a comma b. So we put in the point a comma b in this equation to get the line equation that we get. Okay, so this is the line equation after putting a comma b. Now we know that this line is a normal to the curve. Whenever we have this, we know that once we get a family of lines, if we put a point, we get the tangent of the line. Now we are said that we get the normal of the curve at the point to be parallel to this line given to us over here. So we have a tangent over here. This is the tangent equation. Now tangent equation, when we put in the point, we get the value of the curve over that point. Now what we need to know is, this is the point and we have the slope over to us. We know dy by dx is the slope, correct, and the slope over here is minus 1 by 3 for a tangent. This is the slope for a tangent, but we need a normal. So a slope for a tangent is minus 1 by m, the slope of a normal, correct. So slope of a normal becomes minus 1 by mn is equals to minus 1 by 3, because slope of a tangent is minus 1 by 3, and this becomes mn is equals to 3. So we have the slope of the tangent to be equal to a slope of the normal to be equal to 3. Once we have this value, we simplify this equation, get the value of a, and we can get the value that a is equals to 1 by 2 or 7. We know from this condition over here that a is should be greater than 1, which means a is equal to 2, equal to 1 by 2 is not possible. So a is only equal to 7, and once we know that that the point a comma b also lies on the curve, so we put a in that curve over there, we get the value of b, because we know y of x is equals to b when x is equals to a. So we put in, we integrate it, we get the value of b to be equal to minus 413 by 6. We multiply it by 6 to get minus 413, and if we put in with a, we get the value of a plus 6b's mod to be equal to 406. Thank you.